PayPal Here is a mobile point-of-sale system that allows businesses to accept credit and debit card payments on the go. It works through a small card reader that connects to a mobile device and is managed via the PayPal Here app. Setting it up is straightforward. You need a PayPal business account, download the app, and order or connect a compatible card reader. Once that's done, you can start accepting payments from customers in person using chip, swipe, or contactless methods. The app interface is user-friendly, allowing businesses to customize receipts, add sales tax, and apply discounts. It also provides sales reports and transaction history, making it easy to track earnings. However, some users report that the app occasionally lags or disconnects from the card reader, which can be frustrating during peak business hours. One of the biggest concerns with PayPal Here is its transaction fees. The standard rate is 2.7% per swipe, tap, or insert. Manual entry transactions are even higher at 3.5% plus a fixed fee. These rates can,